Hostage drama in Mamelodi ends in tragedy. Mamelodi. What began as a family dispute on a quiet Tuesday morning in Mamelodi East escalated into an all-day hostage drama that ended in tragedy just before midnight. A police constable, Thapelo Mashigo, was found dead alongside his 18-year-old nephew after gunfire erupted inside a house in the buffer zone neighborhood. The standoff began around 8 a.m. when police from Mamelodi East responded to reports of a family dispute. Eyewitnesses told officers that Constable Mashigo, 32, had fired 2 shots before police arrived and was refusing to release his 69-year-old mother and teenage nephew from the house. Throughout the day, police negotiators and special task force operatives worked tirelessly to de-escalate the situation. According to Shwani District Commissioner Major General Samuel Thine, the constable was initially aggressive but later calmed down enough to talk. By late evening, there were signs of progress. The South African Police Service, SAP's, national spokesperson, Brigadier Brenda Miradilli, reported a breakthrough. Hostage negotiators managed to get the constable to release his elderly mother from the house at 23 o'clock. She was treated by paramedics on the scene before she was transported to the hospital, said Miradilli. The final moments. Just before midnight, as negotiators were still speaking with the constable, tragedy struck. At this stage, hostage negotiators were still negotiating with the police constable to surrender when 2 gunshot sounds were heard coming from the house, Miradilli explained. Special Task Force, STF members, then entered the house. Upon entering the house, the STF members found the body of the constable. As they searched the house further, they discovered the body of the constable's 18-year-old nephew with gunshot wounds, she said. The police have opened cases of murder, kidnapping, and an inquest at the Mamelodi East Police Station. The Independent Police Investigative Directorate, EPID, will also be informed to investigate the incident. Constable Thapelo Mashigo had joined the SAPs in 2019 and was stationed at Boshkop Police Station. At the time of the incident, he was deployed to the Regional Essential Infrastructure Task Team. While the exact cause of Tuesday's violence remains unclear, the incident has left both his colleagues and the Mamelodi community in a state of deep shock. A community in shock and a profession under scrutiny. As word of the standoff spread, residents gathered near the scene, their presence reflecting a growing frustration with the recent wave of violent incidents linked to family disputes and mob justice in both Limpopo and Gauteng. The case also brings to light the immense stress faced by frontline officers, who often have to juggle difficult working conditions and personal struggles while having access to firearms. SAP's employee health and wellness officials were on the scene following the incident and continue to provide psychosocial support to both the Mashigo family and the constable's fellow officers. SAP's employee health and wellness was on the scene and will continue to provide the family and the constable's colleagues with psychosocial support, Miradilli confirmed. For now, the deaths of Constable Mashigo and his nephew have left a family in mourning and a community grappling with difficult questions. The tragedy highlights the need for stronger support systems to prevent such incidents, particularly for those in high-stress professions like policing. The full details of what led to this devastating outcome are yet to be revealed, but the incident has left a lasting impact on the community and beyond.
For these and more stories, tune in to Zim News Bit TV.